Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to prime a diesel engine with the fuel without mechanical pump, only electric motor is installed. This is our electric motor and we are going to prime our diesel engine Perkins DK 3 cylinder with the help of this electric motor installed on our pump. First we will remove the output wire from the output supply of our starting relay. This is our starting relay and that is the out point of this starting relay. That was the wire which was installed here. I have removed, and its connection goes right here at the self starter. When this wire has a current, our starting cell will energize. Now we are going to start the engine from the module. The heaters are on. That is 501 deep sea module with 3 starting attempts option, and every time the starting attempt happens, this will energize our fuel pump. You can hear the sound of the motor. It's priming the fuel pump and the fuel lines with the fuel, and the engine is not starting. There are 3 attempts for the self starting, and with every attempt this will prime our engine. That is the second attempt. You can hear the sound of the motor running, and the diesel is priming in our diesel engine, our fuel cycle of the diesel engine. Now that is the third attempt, third and the final attempt. The diesel is priming in our diesel lines and fuel pump. Now we will install back the output wire of this relay, the output current, which will energize our self starter. After that we are going to start the engine. Initially for 10 seconds our heaters will remain on, heaters in the diesel engine block. And then our self starter will be engaged. With the smooth start of this engine, you can see that the engine is perfectly primed with diesel with the help of this electric motor. That's how can you prime your diesel engine with electric motor installed on it if the manual or mechanical priming pump is not installed. Thanks for watching the video. Follow the channel and subscribe it for more videos like that.